Success formula for Christian channel makers. It works for everybody, but I'm making my videos for the Christian channel makers to help Christian channel makers to grow the videos. I have a nice script here. Sometimes I come up with idea. This I need to teach to my folks because I want you to get your YouTube channels to be fruitful and multiply. There are 7 things before you publish and 3 things after you publish, because this is the way how it works on YouTube according to Jesus principles, Bible principles, because this is universal principle how it is. If we understand that in charge is algorithm, not humans but algorithm. Here, when you make video, don't be like majority. Make video and think, hey, I made a video, now publish and everything is nice and cool. No, between video making, when you made a video and publishing, 7 steps. Okay, the first one, you have to know the right title. You have to post, make correct, properly title for YouTube's algorithm to notice you. Okay, the next one is tags. You have to have tags properly connected with the title, with your description, which is the next one is description. You have to make description properly for YouTube's algorithm. Again, it's not so much for audience but for YouTube's algorithm. If you can connect tags, title in description together, okay, this is what YouTube expecting for you to rank up your videos, have more views, more watchers, more subscribers, more followers. Description. Next one, thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important to make them properly, connect them again with the tags or keywords. Why? Because it's so-called metadata. We have to match and connect with the metadata. Okay, so those tricky things that I'm sharing with you because you have to be aware of them. Next one, hashtags. It's not Instagram. YouTube is not Instagram. Don't overload with the hashtags. There are 3 hashtags YouTube is reading only. The rest doesn't matter. Okay, and the seventh one is end screens and cards. How to use end screens and cards. Then you publish, and that's not it. Because this part here is the most important. What happens after you publish your video? The most important. Engagement, comments, likes. Okay, it's really, really important. Subscribers, do they subscribe or they just leave? But the most important is the last one. Do they come back to watch next one? Are you able to keep them to coming back? Are you able to multiply, be fruitful? This is where your channel matters or does not matter. If your subscribers coming back, if the watchers are coming back, if your church members are coming back for the next service, for the next thing, this is what matters. If you do those things properly and make content properly, you will have more subscribers, more followers, more church members, more people to do business with because you follow the success formula. Be blessed. This is my first video here when I started with 0 subscribers. If you watch it and follow it, you are gonna have the same success I'm creating here in a process.